So guys, in this video I will show you how to customize your Fibonacci retracement tool from this default setting. This is the original setting to this. So you have to clear all the unnecessary levels in Fibonacci retracement tool, so you can be able to be taking this sniper entry. As you can see, when this market was trending upwards, it retraced in this 61 and 50% retracement region. I'm also going to show you how to take sniper entries. As you can see, when the market retraced here, okay, I took sniper entries. So Fibonacci tool is just a retracement tool that helps you to jump on the market when the market has retraced to an important level like 50 and 61% retracement region. Okay, Fibonacci is just an additional strategy or confirmation tool that you can use to enter your trade whenever you are looking out for possible entries. Okay, as you can see now, if I draw my trend line here now, you can see my trend line is touching here, touching here, and touching here, and also there's a support here. So but before we get to this, let me show you guys how to customize your Fibonacci retracement tool first. Now guys, if you open your TradingView, this is what you will see. Okay, you will be seeing all these unnecessary levels. Now the important level that we need here is the 61 and 50% retracement region. That's where market respects most. Market tends to always reverse in this level, which is why we want to customize it so that we can narrow our focus. Okay, once you left click on it, that's if you're using a laptop, or if you're using your phone, once you tap on it twice or once or so, just click on it. So you're going to see this place and you're just going to click on settings, and this is coordinate and this is visibility. So you are going to stay in the style section. Click on this style section, then you're going to start customizing these numbers. Okay, so I'm going to give you the numbers I used in customizing my own to be able to get that 61 and 50% retracement region. So the first thing that you have to do is for you to uncheck this place, then you have to uncheck this two right here, 1, 2, then you have to also come here, you uncheck this one, then you uncheck this one and this one. So after unchecking it, now you have to come here and put 0.27. then after doing that, you have to now leave other coordinates, other numbers like that. Only change this one to 0.27. if it's not like that on your own template, on your own setting, just copy this that I did here, then you are going to click on OK. So once you click OK, this is what you're going to see. You are still going to go back, going to click on settings again, right? So we are going to come here, we're going to remove these background colors. As you can see, all these background colors that we're going to uncheck it, right? So I've already unchecked all the background colors. Now you guys know that this place and this place is one of the important place, right? So you are just going to come here and change the colors. Okay, so just come back to this place, change here to black, then change this particular color to red, then change here to black. Now you can change it to any color that you actually like, but for me I prefer this red and green because this is the most important place. Market usually respect this place, right? So this red and green means a lot to me, so I just put it there. Now the next thing that you have to do is for you to change these numbers to percentages, right, and remove this particular ones. Then now you have to go to settings again, then scroll down, then you're going to see prices, uncheck the prices, then you're going to come here, you're going to see values, put percentages. As you can see now, it's showing percentages. Now as you can see, my own is showing middle right now. You can decide to put it at the top or you can decide to put it at the bottom, but I prefer the middle so that percentages can align with this line. So after doing that, the next thing that you have to do also, you have to take this label, these labels, these percentages to the other side. So all you have to do is to come here and click on right. Now as you can see, it has already taken these numbers to this particular level. So guys, make sure that this one is minus. So make sure that this one is minus. You guys should just copy all the things that I did here and apply it on your own chart, apply it in your own customization. Just look at it very well. You can decide to change the front size of the text to be bigger. Okay, yeah, as you can see, it's bigger. Change it to 14 or you can change it to more so that you can be able to see the percentages, right? So put this text at the center, then put the labels in the right. You're basically good to go if you applied all these things. Now the next thing that we have to do right now is how do we even go about plotting Fibonacci level? How do we use this Fibonacci level? So for you to be able to use Fibonacci level in your trading, Fibonacci is not a strategy, it's just a confirmation tool that you add to your strategy so you can be able to find possible entries. Okay, you can be able to find sniper entries. So first of all, for you to be able to catch this retracement, because you don't know when this market is going to retrace, even though that the market is making higher high, lower low, market is going up, you're pretty sure that this market is trending, but you don't know when this market is going to retrace and come back, right? So all you need to do, first of all, you pull up your trend line, then you draw your trend line. Then after you draw your trend line, that's when the market is still somewhere here, right? After you draw your trend line, you can also plot your level. So you go and bring your a rectangle 2. This is a strong level right now. There's also a level here, so you can bring your straight line and place here also. Now there's a level here and there's also another support here, right? Because if you are using only this support, market is not likely to respect that, right? As you can see, market did not respect that. You have to come down to this particular support. Okay, so once you actually see this setup right now for you to confirm this setup, you have to pull up your Fibonacci retracement, then you place it at the recent low of the market, right? Because when the market is retracing, this is the recent low, right? So you just have to place it here, then you drag it up, you drag it to the recent high, right? Recent high, which is here. Now guys, you guys see what I'm seeing right now with this trend line and this support that is here, you guys can see, right? So with the trend line, with the help of the support and with the confirmation, which is the Fibonacci retracement tool, as you can see, the price retraced in this Fibonacci retracement to this level right here, and the market started going up. So all you need to do is for you, once you see that the market has already reached this 61% retracement region and 50%, once it's inside here, you are just going to enter your trade from here. So let me pull up my long two, my buy two. So just pull up your, so your first take profit is going to be here, okay, which is a 100% retracement, right? From here to here, the price just retrace from here to here, okay, 100% retracement. Okay, that should be your first take profit. And your second take profit should also be here, okay, which is this minus 27% retracement. That should be your second take profit. Okay, your first take profit here and your second take profit here. Boom, you're done. So that's it, guys. I hope you learned something from this. Please make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the post notification so that whenever I post, you'll be able to get notified. And also, don't forget to join my Telegram group where I share signals, where I share forex trading tips and signals. So the link is in the description. So click on the link and join. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.